Today, we're going to tell you about some exciting changes available with the latest software update for your Garmin smartwatch. This video will cover the new features available on select Garmin smartwatches. You can view a complete list of the supported products for this release in the description. You will automatically receive the update if your watch is paired to the Garmin Connect smartphone application, or if you have enabled Wi-Fi sync. First, we'll talk about a change to the gear you use with Garmin devices. You can now assign gear types to multiple activities and group your gear. This makes it easier to copy gear to activity types that use the same gear. With this improvement, you can add new types of gear including bike parts, ski and snowboard gear, jackets, running shoes, and much more. You can even add notes or a photo of your gear. Once you've added your gear, you can then select the default activities to use with this gear collection. Your new gear collection will be displayed in the Collection tab. Once you've finished an activity, your gear will appear on the activity review screen. Selecting your gear will display how many times you've used it and other information. You will need to enable gear selection in the activity settings to use this feature. Next, we'll talk about the improvements to the Garmin Coach Fitness Plan feature. The Garmin Fitness Coach Plan will provide workouts with heart rate-based intensity targets that can be followed using your choice of a variety of different activity profiles. This plan adapts daily to give you personalized workouts based on your performance, recovery, and health metrics. From the Garmin Connect smartphone application, select More, followed by Training and Planning. Then select Garmin Coach Plans. Now select Improve Fitness. Agree to the terms and select your Garmin Fitness Coach plan. Note: only one Garmin Coach plan can be used at a time. For more details, see the Garmin Fitness Coach Science page. Our next addition is Course Planner. With Garmin's Course Planner, you can add your own custom course points, such as aid stations, restrooms, water stations, and much more to any course. This addition will better help you prepare for stops along your course. From the Garmin Connect smartphone application, select More, followed by Training and Planning. Then select Courses. Here, select one of your courses. If you do not have a course, simply search for a course you plan to complete. Tap on the course. Then swipe up to see the informational details. Select Course Points. The start and finish points with the distance for each point will be displayed. Select Add Course Point. Select the course point type you would like to insert. A map with a marker will appear. Pinch to zoom or swipe to scroll to position the new course point. Then select Place Point. If the course is a loop, you can choose which distance you'd like to mark the point. Select the three dots to adjust more settings, such as reversing the direction of the course or adding more course points. Select the back arrow once finished. You can then send the course to your device. From an activity, select the Navigate tab. Then scroll down to Saved. Select the course. Tap More to view each individual course point. Next, we'll cover sleep alignment. Sleep alignment is a new advanced sleep metric that tells you how in sync your sleep routine is to your body's natural rhythm. It shows you what sleep timing could work best for you based on historical data and physiological insight. From the Garmin Connect smartphone application, select More, then select Health Stats, followed by Sleep. you will see an informative page on the advanced sleep features. Select Continue. You can now view your sleep trends in the app, or add the Sleep Coach glance on your compatible smartwatch to view your sleep insights. This lets you better understand how you currently align with your past sleep habits tracked over the last few weeks. As your alignment changes, you will receive notifications on changes and insights. Now, let's talk about the new Lifestyle Logging glance. With the Lifestyle Logging feature, you can easily log and keep track of your daily behaviors and lifestyle choices, such as drinking caffeine, stretching, eating healthy, and much more. This also includes your sleep score, overnight HRV, and overnight stress. Lifestyle logging can be set up and logged in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Start by selecting More, followed by Health Stats. Select Lifestyle Logging and follow the steps to set up your preferences. After setting up your behaviors in the Garmin Connect smartphone application, you can now log your lifestyle behaviors right from the Lifestyle glance. See the FAQ in the description to learn more about setting up lifestyle logging. This next edition is for the sports fans out there. On select Garmin smartwatches, you can now quickly open the Sports Scores glance to get the latest match details from your favorite teams. This includes different sports leagues, such as American football, soccer, and hockey. To get started, add the Sports Scores glance to your list. Then open the glance and select your preferred sports league. Next, you can select the teams you would like to follow. These are listed as the city they are based out of. If you would like to follow more than one team from this sports league, select Add More. When ready, select Done. To add additional sports, select My Teams. Select Add Teams to add more sports to your list. Next, we'll talk about some of the new glances added to compatible Garmin smartwatches. The new Weight glance lets you quickly view your recorded trends. Your logged weight can be automatically imported after using a Garmin Index Smart Scale. You can also manually log your daily weight right from the glance. There is also a new Battery glance. With this, you can monitor your battery use since your last charge. This lets you keep an eye on the apps, activities, and other watch features consuming your smartwatch's battery. Your watch now includes help screens to tell you more about settings, features, and more. While viewing the activity settings details, certain sections may include a new help menu. For example, selecting the Climb Pro activity feature will provide information on what it does. Next, let's go through color filters. They allow you to change color display options to assist with various forms of color blindness. To change color filters, open the Settings menu on your compatible smartwatch. Scroll down and select Accessibility. Then select Color Filters. Your smartwatch offers 4 types of color filters: grayscale, red-green, green-red, and blue-yellow. Select an option that works best for you. Your smartwatch can speak your watch face data fields with the Spoken Watch Face feature. To turn on this feature, open your compatible smartwatch's Settings menu. Then, scroll down and select Accessibility. Next, select Spoken Watch Face. There will be 2 options to choose from: time and date only or entire watch face. Select your preferred option. Once you turn on the Spoken Watch Face feature, your watch will tell you how to activate the feature when you need it.
10:52 a.m.
Now, we'll discuss the Smart Wake alarm. When enabled, the new Smart Wake alarm creates a 30-minute window for your Garmin smartwatch to attempt to wake you with optimal timing based on your night's sleep. For example, if you set your alarm for 8 a.m., the alarm may gently alert you to wake up sometime between 7:30 and 8 a.m. Your alarm will always go off at the selected time. The next feature we will discuss is the expanded morning report. To make changes to your morning report, open the Settings menu on your compatible smartwatch. Then select Notifications and Alerts, followed by Report Settings. Select Morning Report. Now your morning report may include additional details on your sleep, recovery, daily calendar, HRV status, and more. You can even customize your report's theme, data shown, and more. Select Edit Report. Here, you can edit your morning report details. Some compatible Garmin smartwatches now support mixed session activities. Mixed session allows you to log various activity types as a single session on your smartwatch. To get started, open your activities list. Then, either add the mixed session activity or scroll down to More to select it. When you first open the mixed session activity, select the first activity type you want to complete. Press the top right button to start the activity. When finished, press the top right button. Scroll down and select Next Activity. Choose your next activity and complete this process until you have finished. Remember to select Save after you are done with all your mixed session activities. You will see a detailed page for your activities. Your compatible Garmin smartwatch can now broadcast different radar products' information. While your compatible smartwatch is paired to a compatible Varia radar, you will receive audible alerts on your smartwatch about vehicles approaching from behind. To have voice alerts play through your radar, open your compatible smartwatch's Settings menu. Scroll down and select Focus Modes. Select Activity. Then, scroll down and select Voice Alerts. Select Audio Output. Now select Connected Devices to have voice alerts play through your compatible smartphone or other connected Bluetooth devices. To learn more about your product, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit us at support.garmin.com.